Hey everyone, good evening all of you. Welcome to Vedantu and welcome to this amazing masterclass based on 7 limited edition JEE problems on work, power and energy. So how are you doing everyone? How are you today? Good evening everyone. Can you hear me all? Hi Anagha, hi Sahil, hi Bindu. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Hi Nitika, hi Deep. Okay, चलिए. So amazing, nice to see you all here in the session. My name is Gaurav Gupta. I have studied from IIT Rourkela. I have 4+ years of teaching experience. And bachcho, I have taught and mentored 5,000+ students. So today I am going to help you all in this particular topic of work, power and energy. So without any delay, let's start the session bachcho. And let's jump into the concepts and let's do those 7 limited edition questions, okay? So first of all, what is the session plan for today? So today we are going to see most important formulas and the relations, and after that we are going to do the multiple choice questions, okay? So are we ready for that everyone? Are we excited? चलिए start कर लेते हैं without any delay. First of all, what is the weightage of this chapter and why we are doing this? So obviously work, power, energy is having a weightage of at least guaranteed one question in JEE Mains and approx 4% of the weightage in the NEET examination. But that's not it. Actually, the concepts that you learn in this particular chapter, everyone, this will be used in many other chapters of physics. So that makes this particular topic super important for us, okay? So that's why these concepts are very important for us. Hey Pratiksha, hi Varshit, hello Manveer. चलिए start करते हैं बच्चों, है ना? So first concept is this, which we know since childhood, like 9th class में also we have seen work done formula is F into S, where F is the force, S is the displacement. But basically this is a dot product, right? So you have to take the dot product of force and displacement. Dot product is also known as Fs cos theta, right? So that's why this is the formula F into S into cos theta. If you have a variable force by chance, then you need to integrate it, है ना? Second concept is if you want work done using the graph, and if you have a graph between force and displacement, then how do we get the work done? Area under the curve. So what did we learn here? The work done formula is very simple, F dot ds, and if you want from the graph, then you have to take the area under the curve, okay? Chaliye, so this question, now you have to try this question. Everyone has to tell me what is the answer for this. Come on. Yes, very soon we'll be starting the sprint for April, and actually for your April JEE Mains, I have a surprise also for you towards the end of the session, okay? So wait everyone, after doing all the questions, I will be giving that surprise to all of you, okay? Chaliye, so some of you are giving the answer for this and you are saying B, hai na? Which is the correct answer, bachcho. Very good, very nice. Easy question, right? The first question was super easy for you. Let me explain how do we have to do this particular question basically. So there are like two vectors given, the force vector and the displacement vector. You just have to take the dot product of these two. And how do we take dot product? If you write the first vector 5i plus 6j minus 4k, and if you take the dot product with 6i plus 5k. So simply in dot product, I dot I becomes 1, j dot j becomes 1. So 5 into 6, this will be 30. And then 6 into, there is nothing, right? Here nothing is in j, so it will be 0. Here it is minus 4 in k, here it is 5 in k, so minus 20. So the answer will be 10. Easy peasy, right? Super easy question. I hope all of you got the correct answer for this. Let's move ahead without any delay now. Next thing. So we got the answer as 10. Next question everyone, come on. This is based on spring. Work done of spring. Come on. I want the correct answer for this now. So this question says two springs are given to you, A and B. A is more stiffer, okay? A is more in stiffness. And then which of this spring more work is expected if they are stretched by same amount? Okay, nice Adil. You got good percentile, but you can, yeah, maximize this in the April mains also, okay? Yeah, what is the answer? Okay, Deep Roy says it's A. Okay, Utsav says it's B. Fine, fine. So there is some democracy, right? Different answers I'm getting. Tamil Selvan is saying A, Kavita is saying A, Akansha is saying A, Soumya is saying A. That means majority is with A, है ना? चलिए देखते हैं what is the correct answer. Moment of realization. Yes, A is correct answer. Again, super easy. There is nothing in this question. See, so all of us know the potential energy stored by a spring is given by half kx square, right? Now it's given to us that A is having more stiffness. If x is same, right? If displacement remains same and if k is more, then obviously bachcho this energy stored will be more. That means work done would be more. Simple, right? So it depends on two things, k and x. X being same, k being more, work done in A is greater than work done in B. Okay? Right. Very good. Nice. Two very easy question. You all have killed it now. Let's move ahead and let's see what all questions we have in our bank now. Okay? Okay, you got 99%. That's very nice. That's impressive. Good job. Congratulations. Okay. Momentum and kinetic energy. So, bachcho, do we all know the relation between kinetic energy and momentum? I hope you all know, right? So, the kinetic energy is given by P square divided by 2 into m, where P is the momentum, m is the mass. Based on this, try this question now. Come on everyone. Fatapat try kariye. Tell me what is the answer. If the kinetic energy of a body is doubled, what will happen to its momentum? You have the equation of kinetic energy. If kinetic energy is doubled, what happens to the momentum? Pratiksha is saying C. I'm waiting for all of you to answer this. Samiksha says C. Rohan says C. बहुत अच्छे. Very nice everyone. Deep is saying C. Rohan, Nitika, Sahil. Great bachcho. And the correct answer as expected, it's C only. That is root 2 times the initial momentum it would become. Now, how do we crack this one? There is nothing. The simple formula. So, kinetic energy is basically P square divided by 2m. That gives me P square is proportional to kinetic energy. If kinetic energy becomes 2 times, then see what will happen to momentum. Because it is a square, so you can say P is also proportional to root of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy becomes 2 times, so root 2 times momentum would become C is the correct answer. Done and dusted. Easy peasy, right bachcho? Chaliye, fine. Yes, it will continue for 2021 also. It will continue for your April JEE mains. It will continue for your advance, right? So we are there for you at each and every step, bachcho. Don't worry about it. Fine, let's move ahead now. Now this question, slightly better one. And this was asked in JEE 2017 mains, okay? JEE mains 2017. Come on, I want the answer for this now. This particular question says, a time-dependent force is given to you. So force is equal to 6 into T, okay? And they say the particle mass is 1 kg. If the particle starts from rest, work done by the force during the first 1 second will be. Come on everyone. Okay, Akansha, in that case, you need to work hard in your April JEE mains, okay? Slightly you need to improve it. Okay, that's good percentile, Asmi. Okay, you should focus on advance also now, because 99.62 is a good percentile for your JEE mains January. You should also give it in April. You should try to maximize whatever you can get. But yeah, focus on advance also now, okay? Fine, bachcho. So C, you people are saying that is 4.5. Okay. देखते हैं, check करते हैं, ठीक है? So what is the correct answer for this? C only. You guys are just killing it. Very nice. I'm very happy to see that. How do we solve this now? So here some of the students get stuck because they feel ki, sir, work done formula, you told it is force into displacement, right? But here force is not given in terms of displacement, but in terms of time. So what to do now? Bachcho, here we have to use something is known as work energy theorem, and you will be able to save a lot of time in that, okay? तो देखो क्या करना है आपको. Work energy theorem says the total work done on any system is equal to the change in its kinetic energy. So if somehow I can find out the change in kinetic energy, I could get the work done. Now if you see carefully, the particle starts from rest. So bachcho, what is the initial kinetic energy for the particle? 0. It is starting from rest. So dekho, kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial. Initial kinetic energy became 0. What about the final kinetic energy now? Final kinetic energy would be written as half mv square, and for that obviously I need the velocity. Now how do we get the velocity is the question, right? देखिए ध्यान से. So we have the equation of force. Force can be written as mass times acceleration. Mass being 1, you can easily write that this thing will become just F is equal to A. So A will be equal to what? 6 into T. Did you understand the step? Very simple, right? Mass is 1, so force is equal to acceleration. Acceleration is 6 into T, and bachcho acceleration ko you can write dv divided by dt. So dv by dt is 6 into T. Then next step you can write dv is equal to 60 dt. Just variable separable. dt you can take that side. Now integrate this and get the final velocity. How do we integrate? At time t equal to 0, the velocity is 0 as it is starting from rest. At time t equal to 1, because that is the limit given to us, let's say velocity is v. If you integrate the left hand side, you would get v only. So v minus 0 is v itself, is equal to right hand side. If you integrate, 6 into t integration will be 6t square divided by 2, right? Now put the limits from 0 to 1. So 6 by 2 is 3. Once you put the limit 1, it will become 3 into 1. Correct answer for velocity is 3. Now put this value back in this equation, get the answer and enjoy this. So half 1 v square, which is 3 square, 9. 9 by 2 is how much? 4.5. 4.5 is the change in kinetic energy. So what is the work done? 4.5. C is the answer. Got it, everyone? Easy peasy, right? But yes, you need to be slightly careful about which equation to use. So here we have to use the work energy theorem. Everyone got it? Let me know. Good, Akansha. Yes, Asmi. Okay. Okay, Amrita. Okay, Samiksha. Okay, Anita. Great, great. Nice response. I like it. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move ahead now. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं, ठीक है. अच्छा, बिफोर दैट वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. नाउ यू वुड से सर ये इक्वेशन थोड़ी लेट से आया, पहले आपने क्वेश्चन करा दिया इसका, है ना. सो बेसिकली यस, वर्क डन बाय ऑल फोर्सेस इज चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी. जस्ट फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, वी हैव डन अ क्वेश्चन इन द लाइक प्रीवियस स्लाइड टू दिस, है ना, सभी को पता ही है. चलिए लेट्स मूव अहेड नाउ. सो दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ, अमेजिंग क्वेश्चन, वैसे इजी है, ठीक है. This was a nice one but easy only. Come on everyone, try this. मक्खन clear, क्या बात है, बहुत अच्छे. Okay, Akansha. So anyone who is getting like above 95 percentile, that's okay types, okay? And you should focus more on JEE mains again, and you should try to improvise it. And below that, you need to really work hard. Fine? थोड़ा और मेहनत करो and try to make it fine this time in April JEE mains. We'll be starting the sprint in our JEE channel. बहुत जल्दी आ जाएगा वो. Everything will be given. Don't worry बच्चों. We are there for you. बताइए क्या आंसर आ रहा है इसका? Asmi is saying you are getting B. Okay. One of the answer I have got which is B बच्चों. बाकी लोग, are you finding this question a bit tough? नहीं है वैसे tough, है ना? So अंकित भाई, okay. So अंकित भाई is getting A. Deep is getting A. चलिए ठीक है. Let me check what is the correct answer. Okay. Sriram is saying C. Okay. Okay. Soumya is getting B. Fine. देखते हैं. So the correct answer for this question is A only. Still some of you said A. I'm really happy. You are doing really well बच्चों. A is the correct answer. अब देखो, obviously question is good only, not very simple or not very tough also. But the explanation should be very simple, right? तो I'll make sure explanation में आपको बहुत मजा आएगा. देखो, all of you know that if you release a particle from let's say a height of h, right? Release means initial velocity is 0. Do we know bachcho with what velocity it will hit the ground? If it is released from a height h, neglecting air resistance, we know the velocity of the body just before hitting the ground should be under root of 2gh. ये फॉर्मूला तो हमें रात के 3 बजे भी कोई उठा के पूछे तो याद होता है ना? root 2gh it will hit with. But here he said that because of air friction, the particle is not hitting with root 2gh, rather it is hitting with k root gh. देखो इस फॉर्मूले को k gh पावर 1/2, so k root gh से हिट कर रहा है. And they have clearly mentioned कि this k is less than root 2. कंपेयर करो दोनों को, यहां पे root 2 होना चाहिए if there is no air resistance. Now obviously our common sense says that अगर air resistance है, if there is some air resistance, this will be less than root 2, and that's what examiner has written here. So everything has a meaning बच्चों. So what happened actually? The velocity which was expected for the particle is not achieved. The velocity achieved by the particle is only k times root gh, where k is less than root 2. If velocity is less, kinetic energy is less. And if kinetic energy is less, there is some loss of energy. What is that loss of energy? Work done by air friction. So if you want loss of that energy, you calculate this expected kinetic energy. You calculate this actual kinetic energy. Take the difference, get the answer. Are you getting this point, bachcho? It is expected to come at root 2gh, but it is actually coming at k root gh, less than root 2, है ना? So that is why this is how we have to do. So what is the kinetic energy expected? Half mv square, where v is root 2gh, तो ये हो जाएगा 2gh when you take this square, correct? Here what is the kinetic energy? Half m इसका square, so k square into g into h. Now just take the difference between this and this. तो देखो half mgh will come out, it is common, so half mgh comes out. Here you have k square, here you have just 2 left, है ना? यहाँ पे आपके पास सिर्फ 2 बचा हुआ है, तो k square minus 2. Now just थोड़ा सा इस इक्वेशन के साथ खेलो आप. 2 you can take inside, तो it will become k square by 2. 2 by 2 would become 1. This 2 is gone. So देखो क्या मिल रहा है आपको? k square by 2 minus 1. mgh is outside. Just write a minus sign and you can write 1 minus k square by 2. देखो ये आ जाएगा आपका आंसर, which is A. तो सिंपल बना दिया देखो, है ना? Just take the energy which is expected, energy which you are actually getting, subtract them. The loss in energy is the work done by air friction. ठीक है? Okay Praveen, thanks a lot. चलिए आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. Let's move ahead now. So try this question now everyone. So again one amazing question, and this is based on circular motion and work power and energy. I always do this question in my class whenever I am doing a master class on work power energy, because super important होता है. Okay, the concept that is involved in this is super important for your JEE Mains examination. Minus sign just to get the correct answer. I have just rearranged the equation. Okay, and actually loss है ना बेटा वो, तो work done due to friction is always negative, इसलिए. Okay, 3 meter. Okay, Bharti, are you getting 3 meter? That is B. Okay, what about others? Soumya is getting C. Correct, Pratiksha. So Soumya is getting C, that is 2.5. Pratiksha is getting D. फुल डेमोक्रेसी आ गई यहाँ पे, है ना? आप किसी को जीतने नहीं दोगे, सबको वोट दे रहे हो. ओके, श्रीराम इज सेइंग बी. ओके, आई हैव गॉट फुल डेमोक्रेसी. ए बी सी डी हर टाइप के आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. अब देखो ध्यान से, व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मोमेंट ऑफ रियलाइजेशन, करेक्ट आंसर इज 2 मीटर, यानी कि डी. ओके, नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस क्वेश्चन टू ऑल ऑफ यू बच्चों. सुपर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, बहुत अच्छा है. देखो, वन फैक्ट यू शुड नो. ठीक है, एक फैक्ट आपको पता होना चाहिए. If a particle wants to complete a vertical circle मतलब जैसे एक थ्रेड लिया, राइट? वन स्ट्रिंग यू टुक, टेक अ पार्टिकल को थोड़ा सा स्पीड दो, बहुत थोड़ा सा, तो क्या होगा? इट विल गो लाइक दिस, इट विल कम बैक, राइट? थोड़ा सा स्पीड बढ़ाओ, इंक्रीज द स्पीड स्लाइटली, इट विल गो स्लाइटली अप एंड कम बैक. if you want to complete the circle by this particle, अगर आपको उसको सर्कल कराना है पूरा सर्कल, obviously we need more speed, right? थोड़ा ज्यादा स्पीड देना पड़ेगा. That minimum speed needed to complete the circle is given by root 5gr. ये याद रखो, ठीक है? This comes from the concept of circular motion. पता होना चाहिए और ये फैक्ट आपको याद होना चाहिए. Root 5gr is the velocity minimum needed to complete the circle. अब बहुत आसान है, देखो. So particle is coming from here. It has to complete this circular track. So what should be the velocity here? It should be root 5gr. Now, because of this root 5gr, how much kinetic energy it would have? Half mv square. v is root 5gr. इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 5gr. And at this point, how much potential energy it has? mgh. h is also 5. अब क्या है? Energy conservation, है ना? So this energy mg5 equal to this energy. तो equate कर दो आप. So mgh that is 5 लिख लो इसको सीधा, अच्छा रहेगा, है ना? Calculation will be easy. अब देखो इन दोनों को जब आप equate करेंगे, when you equate them, mass and mass cancel, g and g cancel, 5 and 5 cancel, r by 2 is equal to 1. So r is equal to 2. D is the correct answer. What is the concept involved here? One concept is simple energy conservation and one concept is minimum velocity needed, root 5gr. Done and dusted, okay? हाँ सर, आप जेई मेन के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट मोस्ट स्कोरिंग चैप्टर बता सकते हो फिजिक्स में जिससे अप्रैल बेस्ट हो जाए. इन दैट विल बी मेकिंग अनदर सेशन, ओके आकांक्षा? बहुत जल्दी आपको उस पर सेशंस मिल जाएंगे. जस्ट कीप लाइक चेकिंग आउट आवर चैनल ऑफ जेई, ओके? आपको वहां पे मिल जाएगा, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. लेट्स मूव अहेड नाउ बच्चों. यू आर डूइंग वेल एक्चुअली. अनदर कंसेप्ट, छोटा सा एक कंसेप्ट है, सीख लो आप, है ना? आपके लिए बहुत फायदा होगा इससे. सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज गिवन बाय माइनस ऑफ एफ डॉट डी आर, ओके? यहां पे एक माइनस साइन होता है. माइनस ऑफ एफ डॉट डी आर इज गिवन बाय पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. So minus sign is coming from the work energy theorem itself that says if you have a conservative force, then work done due to conservative force is negative of change in potential energy. Fine. Also one logic is that the force of gravitation is always attractive. So when you move two particles away from each other, displacement in one direction, force in opposite direction, तो change in potential energy becomes obviously negative. ठीक है? ये फॉर्मूला याद रखो. Second formula is if you want force then it is given by minus du by dx, okay? अब मैं आपको एक सिंपल सा और एक इक्वेशन बता देता हूं. Let's say if you have force vector, if you wanna write down force vector, तो ये फॉर्मूला होता है del u by del x I cap माइनस, ठीक है? यहां पे माइनस साइन होता है. अगेन यू विल हैव अ माइनस साइन हियर. del u by del y j cap minus del u by del z k cap. All of you know this equation बच्चों. If you are writing down force vector, then it is given by this formula, okay? जहां पे u होता है potential energy. Based on this, देखते हैं कितने लोग ये क्वेश्चन कर पाते हैं. Very nice question. Keep calm and do it, okay? थोड़ा फोकस करिए, पहले ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिए. Yes, Rehan. For now you can focus on boards first of all, because boards के लिए बहुत कम टाइम बचा है. And then after that you can focus more on your JEE mains anyways, है ना? Okay everyone, what is the answer you are getting? Come on, tell me. Anyone with the answer? Tejas is saying one of the answer, okay? चलिए मैं आपको बताता हूं क्या इसका आंसर आएगा and how do we solve it, okay? So here you have been given कि potential energy of a conservative force is given by this equation. X cube y square z. Force acting on the particle situated at 1, 2, 3 is what you want, है ना? देखो इसका सबसे पहले तो आंसर बता देता हूं. Some of you said A, B, C, D सब टाइप के आंसर हैं यहाँ पे. Correct answer is D. Okay? I think only 1 or 2 have given the correct answer. कोई नहीं बच्चों, try to learn this, okay? That is more important. देखो how do we solve this question? अभी अभी आई टोल्ड यू द फॉर्मूला फॉर फोर्स, राइट एवरीवन? फोर्स का फॉर्मूला मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? फोर्स का फॉर्मूला बताया था डेल यू बाई डेल एक्स आई कैप माइनस डेल यू बाई डेल वाई जे कैप माइनस डेल यू बाई डेल जेड के कैप। अब जब मैं लिखता हूं डेल यू बाई डेल एक्स आई कैप, दिस इज नोन एज पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन। इसको क्या बोलते हैं? पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन। पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन नेम इज वेरी डेंजरस, है ना? आपको देख सुन के डर लगता है, बट इट इज वेरी सिंपल बच्चों। पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन मीन्स if you are differentiating this function partially with respect to x, then y and z will be considered as constant. Okay, I have just started the explanation. देखो ध्यान से, partial differentiation means if you are differentiating with respect to x, y and z are considered constant. तो let's differentiate this equation with respect to x partially. तो बच्चों देखो, x cube का differentiation will be 3x square and then just keep y square z as it is, right? I cap हो गया. So del u by del x I cap is done. Minus sign है यहाँ पे obviously. Minus next step is del u by del y j cap. So now you differentiate this with respect to y. When you differentiate with respect to y, x and z will be constant. तो आप x and z को ऐसे लिख लो, x cube into z, y square का differentiation will be 2y j cap. समझ आ रहा है? And then minus differentiate this with respect to z because next is del u by del z k cap. तो यहां पे आपका एक मैथ्स का भी डाउट क्लियर हुआ होगा, है ना? del means partial differentiation. Okay, now if you differentiate partially this equation with respect to z, तो x and y will be constant. तो just write x cube y square as a constant and z का differentiation will be 1. ठीक है? and ये हो जाएगा आपका k cap. This is the equation of force vector. अब इतना करने के बाद कुछ भी नहीं है, just put the values of x, y and z. तो देखो x का वैल्यू कितना रखना है हमें as per the coordinates given. x is 1, y is 2, z is 3. Put यहाँ पे 1, तो 1 square will be 1 only. y which is 2, 2 square will be 4 and then 4 into 3 because z is 3, that is 12 and 1 3 is already there, so 12 3s are 36. तो यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा minus 36 I cap. Now 36 is only in 2 options, तो या तो B सही होना है या तो D होना है, इन दोनों को तो हटा दो आप, है ना? and then let's move ahead. इसमें रखो values x cube z 2y. x cube मतलब 1 cube, that is 1 only. z is 3 into 2 will be 6 and y is again 2, 6 2 जा 12, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा minus 12. Now I don't have to move ahead. 12 यहीं पे लिखा है, 36 यहीं पे लिखा है और कोई भी ऑप्शन ऐसा नहीं है. By the way, you can find out the last one also, x cube y square. x is 1, y is 2, y square will be 4, तो यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएगा, है ना? माइनस बाहर ले लीजिए, डन एंड डस्टेड. ओके, सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला ऑफ फोर्स. फोर्स वेक्टर इज गिवन बाय दिस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, चलिए लेट्स मूव अहेड. आई होप यू आर एंजॉइंग द सेशन. वी आर नॉट ओनली डूइंग वेरी बेसिक एंड वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस, बट वी आर डूइंग सम बेटर वंस ऑल्सो, है ना? दिस वॉज अ बेटर क्वेश्चन. चलिए बच्चों, डी वॉज द आंसर. नाउ ट्राई दिस वन, stable and unstable. Come on, come on. Don't lose the confidence. Okay, Pratiksha, nice. Okay, Yogesh. Try to do this one now. Potential energy for a conservative force is given. Select the correct alternative. Option A, there exists only a unique position of equilibrium. X equal to 2, x equal to 5 are the positions of unstable and stable equilibrium. 2 and 5 are positions of stable and unstable. And D option is x is equal to 0 is the location of equilibrium. So guys, stable, unstable equilibrium, you should know this concept actually. If you know the concept, you will just kill this question without any problem. What is the answer you are getting? Soumya says C, Asmi says C, okay. Akansha says D. और कोई करेक्ट आंसर? ओके, चलिए मैं आपको बताता हूं क्या है इसका सही आंसर, ठीक है, विदाउट एनी डिले। करेक्ट आंसर है बच्चों बी। डू यू वांट अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन अच्छे से, है ना? मैं आपको समझाता हूं, देखो। तो इन स्टेबल एंड अनस्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम, इफ यू ड्रॉ अ ग्राफ बिटवीन, हाँ, बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, इफ यू ड्रॉ अ ग्राफ बिटवीन द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी वर्सेस एक्स, ओके, तो मैं आपको समझाता हूं अनस्टेबल और स्टेबल में क्या फर्क होता है। द ग्राफ मे गो लाइक दिस, इट मे गो लाइक दिस, ठीक है। इफ यू कंसीडर दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, यहां पे देखो स्लोप कितना है, 0 है ना? स्लोप इज हाउ मच बच्चों, 0। स्लोप का मतलब है इस डायग्राम में du by dx, and actually force is given by minus du by dx, and we are talking about stable and unstable equilibrium. Now you only tell me बच्चों, if it is equilibrium, how much should be the net force acting? 0 होना चाहिए क्या force acting? For equilibrium net force कितना होना चाहिए? 0. And if net force has to be 0, slope has to be 0. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Wherever slope is 0 in this equation, there you will get equilibrium. Now in this diagram बच्चों, can you tell how many times you are getting slope 0? Once you are getting here, once you are getting here, okay? तो यहां पे भी equilibrium है और यहां पे भी equilibrium है. But if you see very carefully, this equilibrium is unstable. इसको हम बोलते हैं unstable. Unstable को थोड़ा वेग तरीके से अगर आपको समझना है तो ऐसा सोचो, put a ball here. मान लो ऐसा कोई पाथ है, ठीक है, keep a ball here. इसको थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब करो, what will happen? It will either run down this side or run down this side, never comes back. Such thing is known as unstable. वापस नहीं आ रहा वो. But if you put a ball यहाँ पे and if you disturb it slightly, then obviously it will come back ना. देखो ये वापस आएगा, SHM करेगा, फिर वापस आ जाएगा. So that is why this equilibrium is known as stable equilibrium. ये तो बात हो गया feel का, ठीक है, इससे तो हमने feel कर लिया. But now how do we solve this question now? First of all, एक कंडीशन आपको लगाना पड़ेगा, du डिवाइडेड बाई dx इज इक्वल टू 0. दैट मीन्स जो हमें u और x का इक्वेशन गिवन है, राइट, एन इक्वेशन इज गिवन बिटवीन u एंड x, इफ यू रिमेंबर. ये देखिए, ये u और x का इक्वेशन गिवन है. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करके व्हेन यू इक्वेट इट टू 0, यू विल गेट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द कंडीशन वेयर यू हैव द इक्विलिब्रियम. उसके दो रूट्स आएंगे बिकॉज दैट इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक. दो रूट्स आएंगे, वन ऑफ द रूट विल बी गिविंग दिस पॉइंट, अनदर रूट विल बी गिविंग दिस पॉइंट. समझ आ रहा है? एंड देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट विच वन इज स्टेबल, विच वन इज अनस्टेबल. तो एक काम करते हैं, शुरू से आगे बढ़ते हैं, ठीक है. सबसे पहले लेट्स डिफरेंशिएट द इक्वेशन, ठीक है बच्चों. सबसे पहले चलो डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं इसको, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन, लेट्स डिफरेंशिएट इट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एंड इक्वेट इट टू 0. देखते हैं क्या आंसर आता है. ओके, डिफरेंशिएट करो इसको. If you differentiate it, x cube by 3 का differentiation will be what? 3x square divided by 3. समझ आ रहा है? Minus 7x square by 2. So it will be 7 into 2x divided by 2. ठीक है? And plus 10x का differentiation will be 10. अब ये 3 और 3 हो जाएंगे cancel. You will get the equation as x square minus 2 और 2 cancel. 7x plus 10 is equal to 0 because the condition we are looking at is du by dx is equal to 0. करेक्ट? अब देखो ध्यान से, ये एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है. इसको आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x माइनस 2x प्लस 10 लिख सकते हैं क्या? 5 और 2 माइनस 7 हो जाएगा, 5 2 जा 10 हो जाएगा. यहां से ऑब्वियसली आई कैन सी वन ऑफ द रूट विल बी 5, वन ऑफ द रूट विल बी 2. मतलब बच्चों दो जगह फोर्स 0 होगा. मतलब 2 टाइम्स वी आर गेटिंग इक्विलिब्रियम. वन इज एट x इक्वल टू 5, वन इज एट x इक्वल टू 2. ऑप्शन बी भी सही हो सकता है, ऑप्शन सी भी सही हो सकता है, बिकॉज बोथ द ऑप्शंस आर सेइंग x इक्वल टू 2 एंड x इक्वल टू 5. बट अब मुझे बताना है वेयर इट इज स्टेबल एंड वेयर इट इज अनस्टेबल. अब बहुत ध्यान से सुनना, ठीक है. Now what you have to do is differentiate it once again. ये ट्रिक बता रहा हूं मैं आपको, डिफरेंशिएट करो एक बार फिर से, d2x अपॉन dt स्क्वायर। तो बेटा इफ यू डिफरेंशिएट दिस वंस अगेन, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू गेट फ्रॉम हियर? एक बार ध्यान से देखो, x स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन इज 2x, करेक्ट, माइनस 7x का डिफरेंशिएशन इज 7, 10 का डिफरेंशिएशन इज 0। तो 2x माइनस 7 विल बी आफ्टर डिफरेंशिएटिंग दिस। अब आई डोंट नो इफ यू नो दिस और नॉट, आई एम टेलिंग यू, if d2 by dx comes out to be negative, that means it is maxima। बेटा ये कंसेप्ट है मैथ्स का, अगर d2 by dx नेगेटिव आता है ना तो मैक्सिमा होता है, एंड इफ दैट कम्स टू बी पॉजिटिव देन इट इज मिनिमा। अब देखो मैक्सिमा मिनिमा से क्या पता चलेगा मुझे? इफ आई ड्रॉ द ग्राफ अगेन, जहां पे मैक्सिमा है मैक्सिमा मतलब देखो दिस पॉइंट, मैक्सिमा पे इट विल बी अनस्टेबल, एंड जहां पे मिनिमा है इट विल बी स्टेबल। सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन मैक्सिमा एंड मिनिमा। तो चलो कैलकुलेट करते, ठीक है? यहां पे 2 रखो आप, बिकॉज 2 सॉल्यूशंस आर गिवन, 2 and 5। फर्स्ट यू पुट x इक्वल टू 2, व्हाट डू यू गेट? 2 2s are 4 minus 7 -3 आ गया, मतलब 2 के करस्पॉन्डिंग यू आर गेटिंग d2x by dt स्क्वायर एज नेगेटिव, यानी कि 2 पे अगर ये नेगेटिव है तो यहां पे क्या बनेगा बच्चों? मैक्सिमा बनेगा, और अगर मैक्सिमा बनेगा देन इट इज अनस्टेबल। सो 2 पे इट इज अनस्टेबल। ब्यूटिफुल क्वेश्चन। यहां से जा रहा है या फिर ऐसे जा रहा है ऊपर से? आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस, है ना, बिकॉज मैथ्स इज ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व, फिजिक्स तो है ही वहां पे, है ना। इट इज एन अमेजिंग क्वेश्चन बच्चों। इफ यू पुट 5 हियर ना, अलग सॉल्यूशन जो है 5 है, 5 2 जा 10 minus 7 आपको पॉजिटिव मिल जाएगा। फॉर 5 इट इज पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव मतलब मिनिमा, मिनिमा मतलब दिस पॉइंट मीन्स स्टेबल। गॉट इट? ओके प्रतीक्षा, वेरी नाइस। दिस इज हाउ यू सॉल्व दिस अमेजिंग क्वेश्चन, है ना। चलिए बच्चों, वेरी नाइस। इफ यू वांट टू टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, take it, because this is one of the very important variety from your JEE Mains point of view. Okay? Chalo, thank you everyone. Let's move ahead now. And I said 7 limited edition questions, right? So this is the 7th one. Come on, easy है, दिखता difficult है, आंखें दिखाता है आपको, but actually this is very easy. Try this, come on. Thank you Deep. ओके राजेश, गुड। व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस? अभी एक बार पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ लो, डायग्राम देख लीजिए। इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड आई एम गिविंग यू द ऑप्शंस, ओके। थैंक यू नरेंद्र। अमृता, यू नीड टू वर्क हार्ड, ओके, यू नीड टू वर्क हार्ड फॉर योर अप्रैल JEE मेंस एक्चुअली। या कम ऑन, व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस? आंसर के लिए आपको ऑप्शन देना पड़ेगा ऑब्वियसली, सो आई एम शोइंग यू द ऑप्शंस नाउ, ओके। या दीज आर द ऑप्शंस बच्चों, यू सॉ द डायग्राम, दीज आर द आंसर्स, ओके। फॉर 11th you can join some crash course Mehak, that will really help you out. I'll be telling you towards the end of the session Mehak, then how can you improve your JEE April one, okay. हाँ, क्या आंसर आ रहा है? C. Okay, you guys are getting C. Tejas is getting B. Some of you are getting C. ठीक है, चलो मैं समझाता हूँ। प्रतीक्षा is getting A and the correct answer is A only. A is the correct answer. चलिए मैं आपको समझाता हूँ, ठीक है। So a sum of like visualization is needed for this question. देखो क्या visualization की जरूरत है, मैं आपको समझाता हूँ। See everyone. In elasticity or in collision, you must have heard or you must have studied, when two masses which are equal, okay, when two equal masses collide with each other elastically, what did I say? When two equal masses collide with each other elastically, then क्या होता है? They exchange their velocity. देखो, they are two equal masses बच्चों, है ना। The collision is elastic, it is given in the question. So when two masses, equal masses are colliding with each other, they exchange their velocity. if you see initial velocity of this one, it is v. Initial velocity of this one is 0. After collision, if I draw after collision situation, A will have v velocity, okay, B is initially at rest only, and C will also come at rest. Okay, sometimes during carom board also it happens. You strike a particular thing and the striker comes to rest, the other thing starts moving. That happens, right? So this may happen when two equal masses are colliding and they have elastic collision. Is it understood? Pool में भी होता है, exactly, nice example. तो now देखो, the job of C was only to give v velocity to this mass A. After that, what would happen? This whole system is now free to move in this direction, right? देखो अब क्या होगा. The moment A starts to move in this direction, the spring will try to oppose the motion of it. Correct, बच्चों? So A is having initial velocity v, and as it is trying to move in this direction, spring is pushing it backwards. Speed of A will start reducing. देखो, इसका जो speed है वो कम होने लगेगा because it has a spring force in this direction. But spring force on B is in this direction. So B का speed will start increasing. समझ आ रहा है? A का speed initially कितना है? V. B का speed initially कितना है? 0. So as the A is moving in this direction, spring is pushing it in backward direction, but B is getting pushed in this direction. So slowly A will lose the speed, B will gain the speed. There will be a moment when A and B will have equal speed, maybe V dash and V dash, and we say there they will be having the minimum compression या फिर maximum compression, minimum distance. So what kind of motion is happening? A was like behind B initially, है ना, and A was moving with some velocity. B also started to move, but one time came when they are moving together, like with same velocity. Then the compression is maximum. Then again B will separate and it will move like this. Getting my point? So he is asking what is the maximum compression. This is the condition for maximum compression. They have equal velocity. अब देखना बहुत आसान है. Conserve the momentum between this situation and this situation. In this situation, बच्चों, what is the initial momentum of this system? Consider this whole system together. What is the initial momentum of this system? M into V, because only A is moving. So M into V, initial momentum. Final situation में यहाँ पे at maximum compression, this is your X max situation. What is the final momentum? M into V dash plus M into V dash. That is 2M V dash. Are you getting my point? And then you will see M and M will get cancelled out. V dash will be equal to V by 2. This tells me that when maximum compression is achieved, both the bodies are moving with how much velocity? V by 2 and V by 2. ये देखो, कहाँ से निकाल लिया हमने ये? By doing the momentum conservation. But the job is not done now. To get the maximum compression now, you need to conserve the energy. How do we conserve the energy now? Very simple. Let me explain the energy conservation. Let me go to the next slide now. So देखो next slide में हम जाते हैं. Let me explain the energy conservation. Tell me बच्चों, what is the total energy of the system in this situation? Only A is moving with V, right? So total energy is half mv square is equal to total energy in this situation. Two masses moving with same velocity. So you can write 2 times half m v square and their velocity is v by 2. तो v by 2 का whole square. ये समझ में आया क्या? Actually for each mass it is half m v by 2 का whole square. But there are 2 masses, so I'll multiply by 2. This is the energy. Apart from that, because we are considering spring is compressed by X max, the spring potential energy will be half kx square. Just solve this equation now and get the answer. अब देखो ध्यान से. So half mv square, this 2 and this 1 by 2. So this v square by 4, right? V square by 4 into 2 will become v square by 2 only. Once you bring this in this side, you will get half mv²/2। समझ आ रहा है? सॉल्व करो, थोड़ा सा है बस। v²/4 into this 2 v²/2. Now v² minus v²/2 will be v²/2 only. So left hand side you got v²/2 only, and is equal to, you have this side half kx². Now just equate them. This half and half is gone, okay? And then you have to calculate the x², right? So x² would be equal to how much? mv² divided by 2k. So x will be equal to how much? V comes out, inside you will have m/2k. That is the correct answer. So momentum conservation and energy conservation is needed to be done. I hope this was very difficult, is it? बहुत ज़्यादा difficult लगा क्या आपको? थोड़ा लंबा है solution, I understand that, and 2 equations has to be used, but yes, it is very important question, okay? So this is the equation, that is the equation, you need to equate them. Momentum conservation and then energy conservation. एक बार बताइए बच्चों, if you have any doubt, I can clear that. Come on. कोई डाउट आ रहा है क्या इसमें? Let me know. Very important and very easy, right? मतलब very easy बोलना थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, but yeah, moderate only. But was very good question. Exactly, it was very nice question, and this is the fun that you will have in physics, okay? One very important information बच्चों, if in these questions you feel कि you need slightly more concept building, थोड़ा भी अगर आपका confidence low होता है ऐसे questions को देख के, that means you really need a good teacher and you really need a very well designed course which gives you very good questions in line with JEE examination. And for that only we have launched this JEE Mains the crash course thing, okay? So I'll show you what is that. So this JEE Crash Course we have launched. The April JEE Mains will be covered in this, and after this crash course we can guarantee that you will not have such conceptual difficulties. So if you feel that JEE Mains January was not that good for you, you are expecting slightly better than that, then you can definitely consider joining this crash course. So here all the top educators of India will be teaching you all the 3 subjects like physics, chemistry and maths, and they will make sure that you are ahead your JEE Mains examination, which is going to be in April, because now your boards are also there, so you cannot give a lot of time for your JEE preparation. So these crash courses can really help you out in your preparation, okay? So this is the detail of this. 12 live online internet sessions will be there per week. You can go through all the details, and if you want to join it, you have to go to this link, okay? So this is the link to join that. You will get that in the description also. And right now the best thing is you are getting a lightning deal here. So the cost of this crash course was 20,000, but you are getting it only at 9,000 if you use this coupon code GRVC, okay? So note down the coupon code, note down the link, and you are done with that. You will get this amazing lightning deal, okay? Eklavya will be also starting very soon. Don't worry about it, Shashank. And very soon our AP sir will come live and he will announce this. Don't worry about it, okay? Because the result came like yesterday night only, right? So we were waiting for the result, and now very soon AP sir and other teachers of JEE channel will come in front of you and they will announce the Eklavya course, okay? But Eklavya course will be for those who have scored very nice percentile in JEE Mains, okay? So that cutoff will also be given to you. But for all others who want to improve JEE Mains score, they can really join this crash course, okay bachcho? Chaliye everyone, it was very nice interacting with all of you. I really enjoyed teaching all these beautiful minds sitting in my class. So thank you everyone, your feedback would be appreciated. तो हम मिलते हैं next class में. Tomorrow also we have some master class based on physics at 4 PM and 6 PM. See you soon then बच्चों, okay? Bye bye. Keep studying, keep rocking everyone. So this is Gaurav Gupta signing off. Bye everyone.